Did you know bald eagles can see 4 to 5 times farther than humans, which means they can spot a fish from kilometers away while soaring high in the sky? But interestingly, they don't always catch the fish themselves. Sometimes they'll chase birds like the osprey until it drops the fish, and then they'll grab the easy meal. And although they're famous for eating fish, they're actually opportunistic feeders and will eat things like rabbits, ducks, crabs, carrion, and even garbage if food is scarce. Bald eagles also have a transparent third eyelid called a nictitating membrane, which works like built-in goggles to protect their eyes while flying or grabbing prey. They're also known for being very loyal. Bald eagles usually mate for life and return to the same nest with the same partner every breeding season. Something else people don't realize is that the dramatic eagle scream you hear in movies is often actually the call of a red-tailed hawk, not a bald eagle. Their chicks grow surprisingly fast too, going from tiny hatchlings to nearly adult size in about 10 to 12 weeks. Want to keep expanding your knowledge? Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.